Hi, my name is Kerry Shi, CEO of OStream, and thanks for joining us. Generative AI is dominating the mind share of every CIO, CTO, and even non-technical leaders. The most powerful use cases are text-to-text, which can bestow superpowers to the average knowledge worker, video-to-text, which can fully describe and annotate the real world, and text-to-image, which accelerates content creation for marketing. ChatGPT went from 0 to 100 million users faster than TikTok. DeepStream boasts 2.5 million AI developers, and Stable Diffusion has 40 million content creators. It's clear that generative AI will have a massive impact on the technology market. But GPT is only the start. Generative AI will be part of every IoT service. But machine data, video-to-text, and speech-to-text use cases have crucial problems. Think about the data that comes from every camera, industrial sensor, kiosk, and smart display, and you start understanding three problems. First, it has to process fast even though the data is heavy. Second, private data handling is even more important when it comes to capturing video and audio from humans. And lastly, GPU costs are booming because these applications are hungry for more AI horsepower. People are realizing that hardware at the edge solves these problems. It allows for real-time performance, the privatization and pre-processing of data, and it distributes the workload, driving down GPU costs. That's why we created GenRunner, the foundation for private generative AI applications on the edge. It enables high-powered use cases like video-to-text, private GPT, speech-to-text, and all of this in a single board computer that can rack and stack into clusters. You can think of GenRunner as a generative AI integration kit. It comes with frameworks and functioning models all front-ended by a simplified and unified API to leverage this power out of the box. GenRunner solves horsepower on the edge, as well as easing the integration complexity and time to market. As you move from development to production, the Director software acts like mission control to cluster, deploy, and do AI performance tuning. It's like turnkey infrastructure for your applications. Here's just a few examples of what you could do. How about instead of traditional object detection, you describe what's happening in front of a camera as it moves around? Or use image to text to create entire new workflows for how machines are supported. You could even create private expert systems that answer questions automatically. We can't wait to see what you'll do. So here are all the components. GenRunner Node is the modular compute for GenAI on the edge. Gappy is the name of the software API gateway where you can quickly leverage generative AI. And Director is like mission control for clustering, deployment, and application tuning. There have been two pivotal edge hardware devices in the last decade. Raspberry Pi offered a full software environment and led to the IoT to cloud revolution. Next came the Jetson Nano that introduced hyper-complex topics and grew 2.5 million new AI developers. We want GenRunner to be known for embeddable Gen AI. We hope to inspire those 2.5 million devs and the integrators they work for to expand their offerings with new superpowers inherent to generative AI. Thanks for joining us.